I put the deer out last night, and the one that I replaced the motor in worked nicely for about an hour, and then it quit. I don't know if it's a mechanical failure and it locked up somewhere, or if the motor just gave up. So let's plug it in and see what we have here. The lights are still working on all three of them, which is nice to see. I did replace one bulb when I put it out last night. It looks like the rest of these ran several hours and didn't burn anything else out, so that's good. But here's the failure. Aha, I see what happened. I had a suspicion that this would happen. The shaft is just spinning inside this. And the reason being is because the hole that the screw is supposed to lock into is too low into the shaft, and so it just kind of, the screw didn't have anywhere to grab onto real securely. So that's what happened. I had a feeling that would happen, so no problem. We'll just bring it in and repair that. What I have to do is drill a hole through the shaft higher up so that this has something to screw onto. Alright, we're just gonna kind of fix this on the fly here. I've got the camera balanced on another deer, and I'll plug up the drill. Alright, that should be sufficient. I don't know when that video cut off. I think it was right at the finishing point. This came out of the drill bit, which is kind of interesting. But that should be sufficient. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and screw it back on and see what happens. Now we have a hole that the screw can go into. So hopefully that will solve the problem. I don't know if I can set the camera up on here somehow to kind of record this. I don't think so. Actually, that's not too bad. I'll try that. Oh, the screw is like frozen in here. I'm gonna have to pause the video. Okay, that's screwed on now. Can't get a good video, and it's much more secure than it was before. It doesn't have any movement to it at all whatsoever. So I'm going to attach this back on here, and I believe this will solve the problem. I'm gonna have to turn it on and get it rotating because it's stuck. It does look like it's moving again. And there we go. Put this, which is now dirty, back over here in an effort to protect it from the rain to some extent. And we'll see what happens. Should last longer this time.